as a little bit of a farming strategy, and then I'm going to show you one of my ways. So as you can see, I got a lot of gold and elixir, and I only use these tubes. So I only use barbarians and archers. I'm now going to show you a way of mine. So as you can see, I only got good weight, so yeah, right. So I deploy archers and barbarians over the place where the gold mines and elixir pumps are. So I draw a line of barbarians as a meat shield, and then I throw in archers. I'm going to do the same thing at the other side. As you can see, I'm getting a lot of gold and elixir. Alright, so that's kind of everything. I'm just gonna go and try to get the 50% so that I don't lose any gold. So just get this and that's it.